Ever wondered how yoga can improve your flexibility? Well, the answer lies in the practice of yoga itself. It's a discipline that unites body, mind, and spirit, with poses designed to promote strength, balance, and yes, flexibility. Imagine a rubber band. If it's cold and hasn't been stretched, it's stiff and inflexible, right? But as it warms up and stretches out, it becomes more flexible. The same principle applies to the human body. Now let's dive into some yoga poses that specifically target flexibility. First up, the downward facing dog. This well-known pose stretches the entire backside of your body, from your heels to your head. Start on your hands and knees, then lift your hips high, straightening your legs and pressing your chest towards your thighs. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths. Next, the forward bend. Stand tall, then hinge forward at your hips, letting your head and arms hang towards the floor. This pose stretches your hamstrings and back, promoting flexibility in your posterior chain. Stay in this position for a few moments, breathing deeply. The cobra pose is another excellent way to increase flexibility, particularly in your spine. Lie on your stomach, press your hands into the floor under your shoulders, and lift your upper body, keeping your hips grounded. Arch your back and hold the pose, feeling the stretch in your abdominal muscles. The pigeon pose targets hip flexibility. Start in downward facing dog, then bring one knee forward and out to the side, laying your leg on the ground. Extend your other leg straight behind you. This pose can be intense, so take it slow and listen to your body. Lastly, the butterfly pose is great for opening up the hips and stretching the inner thighs. Sit on the floor, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees fall out to the sides. Lean forward slightly to intensify the stretch. Remember, yoga is not about forcing your body into positions. It's about finding a balance between effort and ease. Go only as far into a pose as feels comfortable for you. Over time, with consistent practice, your flexibility will naturally increase. So what have we learned today? Yoga can significantly improve your flexibility by stretching your muscles, opening your joints, and increasing your range of motion. The downward-facing dog, forward bend, cobra, pigeon, and butterfly poses are excellent for promoting flexibility. And remember, yoga is a practice of patience and consistency. With time, you'll become more flexible, not just in your body but in your mind as well. So why wait? Start incorporating these flexibility-focused yoga poses into your routine today. Your future self will thank you.